I am A. Tawsif Ahmad, PhD Research Scholar under the guidance of Dr. U. Rizwan, Associate Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, Islamia College, Autonomous, Wanyanbadi. My paper title is Testing Bivariate Exponentiality Against Bivariate Renewal New Better Than Used in Laplace Transform Order. Introduction. Bivariate aging class of lifetime distribution is a new branch of reliability which is established by developing the measurements of success or failure concerning reliability. Engineering, biological science, maintenance, and biometric are some important fields in which applications of classes of lifetime distribution that can be seen in reliability. Univariate aging class of lifetime distribution for renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order was proposed by Mahmoud. Now we introduce a new bivariate aging class of lifetime distribution, namely bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order. And we propose a test statistic for testing bivariate exponentiality against the very strong version of aging class of lifetime distribution based on U statistic. Definition. Let x comma y be the random variable denoting the life length of two devices having the joint distribution function f bar of x comma y with f bar of 0 comma 0 is equal to 1, where f bar of x comma y is equal to p of x greater than x, y greater than y, denotes the joint survival function. Definition. A bivariate random variable x comma y or its distribution function f bar of x comma y is said to have bivariate renewal new better than used if f bar of x comma y is less than or equal to w at f bar of x comma y, where f at t comma s of x comma y is equal to f bar of t plus x comma s plus y over f bar of t comma s. If f bar of t comma s is greater than 0 and w at f bar of x comma y equal to 1 over mu integral x to infinity integral y to infinity f bar of u comma v dv du for all x comma y greater than 0, here mu here mu is equal to 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity f bar of x comma y dv dx denotes the mean of bivariate lifetime distribution f and is assumed to be finite. A bivariate definition. A bivariate random variable x comma y or its distribution function f bar of x comma y is said to have bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order if integral 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity e to exponential of minus lambda of x plus y w bar of x plus t comma w bar of x plus t comma y plus s into dy dx is less than or equal to w bar of t comma s integral 0 to infinity integral 0 to infinity exponential to the power minus lambda of exponential of minus lambda x plus y w bar of x comma y dy dx for all x comma y greater than 0 and t comma s is greater than 0, where w of t comma s equal to 1 over mu integral 0 to t integral 0 to s f bar of u comma v dv du 0 less than or equal to t comma d comma s less than infinity. The corresponding survival function is w bar of t comma s equal to 1 over mu integral t to infinity integral s to infinity f bar of u comma v dv du 0 less than or equal to t comma s less than infinity, where mu denotes the bivariate finite mean. Test for bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order aging class. Consider the null hypothesis H bivariate against the alternative hypothesis H1 that f belongs to the bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order but not bivariate exponential. We prove the lemma. Let f belongs to bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order class, and x comma y is a random variable with distribution function f of x comma y, then delta of lambda equal to mu over lambda into lambda minus 1 phi of lambda plus mu by lambda minus lambda square of phi of 1 minus 1 by lambda square of phi of lambda minus 1 by lambda square phi of 1 plus 1 by lambda square phi of 1 into phi of lambda plus 1 by lambda square, where phi of lambda is equal to integral 0 to infinity exponential to the power minus lambda of x plus y into df of x comma y. Further proof. Since f is bivariate renewal new better than use, we consider this, then multiplying by this we prove the theorem. Finally, test statistics and consistency for bivariate renewal new better than used in Laplace transform order alternative h under h naught delta of lambda equal to 0, under the null hypothesis alternative hypothesis h1 delta of lambda greater than 0. The estimate of delta n can be rewritten as like this. To make the scalar invariant under h naught, we use delta cap of lambda equal to 1 by x comma y whole x bar y bar x bar into y bar d delta of lambda where x bar equal to 1 over n summation I equal to 1 to n xi, and yn equal to 1 by n summation I equal to 1 to n yi are the sample means, and tn is an estimator for delta cap of lambda. Setting this, then we get the use statistic un equal to 1 over nc2 summation phi of xi comma yj. Then we prove the theorem. As n tends to infinity, root n of delta cap of lambda minus delta lambda is asymptotical normal with mean 0 and variance sigma square. Then we prove this theorem. Under h naught, the limiting distribution of Tn is normal with mean delta of lambda. Then the variance root n Tn is a function of lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 1 2. Proof. Since the variance of root n Tn is very complicated under h naught, and since Tn is a function of u statistic, Jacquinifying would not only reduce the bias but also enable us to estimate the variance of v of root n Tn. The estimate of v of root n Tn is equal to n over n minus 1 summation I equal to 1 to n t at n comma I minus t n star whole square. Using this result from Sen 1977, we finally get root n Tn by v cap of root n Tn whole to the square half minus half is asymptotical standard normal n of 0 comma 1 asymptotical. Hence this proves the theorem. Application to real life data, we consider the data set given in the reliability S2002, where the given data set is obtained from a parallel system composed of two components motors. The failure time in the data set which are observed from a live test on 18 such parallel systems are given in table 1. Note that a parallel system properly functions if at least one of the two component functions. Thus, in the case the first life test ends with the second component failure in the system, and both of the failure time x, failure time of motor A, and the failure time of y, failure time of motor B are observed. The failure time are measured in days integer values. Figure 1 plots the failure time of motor A and motor B. We use our test to detect whether this failure time follows a bivariate exponential distribution or not. This is figure failure time in days of motor A and motor B. X-axis is failure time in motor failure times of motor A, and y-axis is failure times of motor B. Failure times in days of motor A and motor B. There are systems. There are 18 parallel systems. Motor A, the failure times of motor A and failure times of motor B. Using the data in table 1, we obtain the value of the test statistic Tn delta of lambda equal to 4.700051. Thus, root n Tn by V cap of root n Tn to the power half equal to 239.4686. Hence, we accept H1, which shows that the data set has bivariate renewal knew better than used in Laplace transform order property, but not bivariate exponential. Conclusion: statistical test for testing bivariate exponentiality against bivariate renewal knew better than used in Laplace transform order class of lifetime distribution based on used statistic is discussed. The asymptotic normality of the test statistic and its consistency are studied. The theoretical results are applied to analysis the real life data set. Reference: these are the reference I have referred. Thank you.